Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can post a job on Indeed.com. To begin, we're going to open up our Google Chrome browser and write in Indeed.com. From here, I'm sorry, here we go, this should be it. So, from here, we want to press on the sign in button. And all we simply want to do is press on continue with Google. I'm going to continue with my fake spam email. And we should be signed up in a matter of seconds. Next up, we want to ignore all of this. What we're simply going to do is go to the top right where you can see employers post job. Here will be the tab where we can post our job for people to find and to find an employee for our job. So once it is here, give it a moment, you will be on this page. So first we're going to add our company's name. Let's do Growmore Tech. Next up, your company's number of employees. I'm going to do 1 to 49. Your first and last name, Gary Jr. My phone number. So I don't think this is this might be optional. Let me see. And yes, it is optional. So I'm simply gonna press on next. From here, we can do country, United States, language English, company name Growmore Tech, job title, looking for video producers, and which option best describes this job location. Remote, so hybrid. So this is hybrid remote. What is the street address for this location? Sorry, here. We want to do remote. Our employees required to reside in a specific location. No. Save and continue. So as you can see, there were multiple job options. We are making our own job for video producers. Now, what is this job type? This is a full-time job. It can also be part-time and a contract. What is the schedule for this job? Here you can search. For us, we're gonna do 4-hour shift, and we're gonna do choose your own hours, and let's do 1, 2 hour, 3. Yeah, so choose your own hours and typically 4-hour shifts. From here, how many people do you want to hire for this opening? So here is one of the most important options. Here we can choose the amount we want. So generally, let's say I want to get at least 5 employers and I have an ongoing need to fill this role. So this is if you need to prioritize like getting this role filled up, you want to check this box. If you don't, you don't. So I'm going to check this. How quickly do you need to hire? We're going to do 3 to 7 days. And we're going to press on save and continue. From there, complete your job post. Need help with your job post? We'll create a template with smart recommendations, or you can complete it on your own. So here is generally the main catch. How would you like to complete your job post? We can either do it on our own, or we can do it with smart recommendations. So generally, I don't recommend doing it on your own at all. This really does help, so we're going to press on this and press on save and continue. From there, you just have to wait a few seconds. It's going to analyze data and review your job post template. So add the information that potential candidates looking for, including benefits, company description, photos, and videos. So let's add benefits. So we can do uh professional development assistance, employee assistance program, and let's see what else is there. So there are multiple things. We can do employee discount, I guess, or no, that's not really a thing. I mean, it's a thing, just not for what we're doing. Flexible spending account. What else? So let me bring that down. and other. Um, Flexible working hours, working from home is easy and done. From there, it's gonna even show you more photos and videos, supplemental pay. So we do have a signing bonus, and let's do company description. Our goal is to grow a big YouTube channel which supplies our viewers with daily tech tutorials for their difficulties difficulties I'm sorry, I do not know how to spell today. For their difficulties on their specific devices and modern office setting. Food is not provided. Uh, Work from home days. So, uh, flexible working hours, professional, agile, innovative. And preview. This is the preview. So this is what it should look like. And you can add your own if you want, but I think this is quite nice. So we're gonna press on done. From there, you can do supplemental pay. We already did this. So content producer, we have to do job title from looking for video producers to content producer to receive an estimated 21 additional applications. Growmore Tech remote. So this is all that's happened. The pay is gonna be starting amount per week, and we're gonna do. Let's do $100. This is not possible, is it? 300, 200, 50, 260, 70, to 80, 290. Yeah, the minimum. So, and the maximum amount, yeah, so 290 per week. So let's do that. And that's it. We're gonna press on done. From there, 4 hour shift, choose your own hours. Yeah, we already did all of this. So, benefits, job description, signing bonus, commission pay, bonus pay, tips. I did not. Okay, so there we go. From there, we simply want to press on accept. And photos and videos we can add to show of what it is. So let's press on this. You can add a file. So what you can do is show example videos of what your company is doing. And here is the settings. Here you want to be careful of what you fill out. Application settings, receive applications by. You can choose um so would you like people to submit a resume? Yes, no, optional. People with a criminal record are encouraged to apply. I don't think that matters. Don't check that. Email. Let potential candidates call you directly about a job. You can add your number. I won't be. And employer assist. And make sure you turn this on. This really does help. So if you don't show interest, automatically declines each candidate. After yeah, so there we go. That's a pretty good amount, I would say, 21 days. So it's easy to keep a candidate in your queue by showing interest on Indeed. Mark them as yes, or maybe send them a message on Indeed, etc. So generally now we check this box and we've basically done all we need. All we have to do is account setting, company name, add a company name, Growmore Tech done. Number of employees at your company, once again, 1 to 49. Your first and last name. which we're gonna do our Gary Jr. and that should be it. From there, all you simply have to do is press on confirm and key qualifications for your role. So this is one of the most important parts. We need to focus up here. Here are skills you need to show what if it's nice to have and if it's a must. So social media. So I would say for us, writing skills is a must have and editing. From there, 10 criteria, masters for skills, communication. What is that? What did I just write? So let's do communication and let's do persuade. No, site. No, I think communication is it. Uh, yeah, that's it. So we're gonna press on save and continue. Oh, so right here, as you can see, communications field of study. You need to make sure to check this after you add an additional criteria. So this is a must-have. Once again, we're gonna press on save and continue. And application steps. Yes, yes, yes. So authorized to work in the US, that's not something we need. And that's really it. So you want to just have language, English, deal breaker, and let's do yeah, that's it. So send pre-recorded phone screen. No, I wouldn't do that. And continue. And we should be done basically. That's basically it. Hold on. So it's having trouble saving our info, but that's basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.